sequence starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It begins as a thought, an idea. What if you could make anything? A way to translate imagination into reality. A shape, a tool, a work of art. Prague, the world's capital of 3D printing. Please welcome Josef Prusa.
Hello everyone, I hope you all can see me. Under this suit, I have goosebumps.
Actually, last year we said one thing. We are not trying to be any other brand in the world than Prusa, the legendary brand of 3D printing. And it works. Our customers value our standards, security, quality. So actually, our category of MK and Core is now plus 20% year over year, and we are still before the Black Friday, so we actually believe it will even improve. People actually believe that we are a company built just around a single printer, the iconic i3 design. But in fact, we might be the only company in the world which sells Cartesians, Core XYs, and Deltas, plus we also do resin printers, all manufactured and designed in-house. And there are many more, right, Joe?
What we are absolutely unique in this world is that we are fully integrated. When you look at the machine, you can imagine there's an electronics, but that piece of a printed circuit board is designed in one building. Just 2 floors down, we manufacture it. But at the same time, in the same building, we code the firmware. We have 13 people who are every day, all day, making the best slicer. We also make the parts. Let me get to our farm. Many of you have seen. In our mission to integrate, we also do injection molding. This is our biggest injection molding press. It is 1,200 tons. We just 2 or 3 weeks ago finished an acquisition of a new factory which specializes in making the molds for injection molding. We, in next 2 or 3 weeks, are opening a new factory in Hradec Králové. That is another 5,000 square meters, and that is still not everything. We just a couple months ago opened 10,000 square meters in Wilmington, Delaware.
3D printers are now tools rather than something that has to be your hobby. Modern 3D printer does so many things on its own, but something that's still very manual is the filament interaction. So if we are to change that, and if we are to improve the user experience and the workflow, we need smart spools. Our answer to that is called OpenPrintTag. OpenPrintTag is our open source initiative to end the wild west of smart spools. Really big thing about it is that it's writable. It contains all the most important information directly on the spool. So when a print finishes, the printer itself can update how much filament is left on the spool. That means it works offline by design. It doesn't have to connect to some cloud service. It just knows even when the printer is not connected online. Of course, you can really enhance the experience with more data in the libraries when the printer is online. The critical thing is that it's completely open source. It's totally free. There are no licensing fees. If OpenPrintTag is to be adopted by the whole market, it needs to be open source and expandable with new, information which each manufacturer might want to have in. And another important thing is that the tags themselves are inexpensive and they can even be reused.
Next thing we are going to show is really my personal passion project. Hello, I'm Joe Prusa, the CEO of Prusa Research, and this is Signature Oak, an exclusive limited 3D printer. enclosed in a wood from 100-year-old oaks. We've taken the components of a Prusa printer and wrapped them in a beautiful handcrafted wooden enclosure. And we are only making 250 of these, each personally signed. This is a celebration of manual work, of premium quality and traditional Czech craftsmanship. It's the most beautiful 3D printer we have ever created. Because I want to introduce to you the bigger sibling to Core 1, the Core 1L. Hi, I'm Joe Prusa and this is the Core 1L, our big enclosed Core XY 3D printer with a brand new convection AC heat bed. I think we should get in.
Wow. Have you ever been inside a 3D printer? It looks awesome, right?
This does not get old.
That's a new bed?
That is a new print bed. And, you know, nothing beats just a chunk of aluminum with heat conductivity and efficiency and speed snappiness. You know, everyone, this is how beautiful all of us look when we come and watch our 3D prints every 5 minutes. That is how the 3D print feels while it's being printed and watched at the same time.
Developers! I would like to take a second to thank all the developers or the designers, software engineers, everyone involved in getting the Prusa Core 1L to life. So please, one more round of applause for them.
I forgot this information in the beginning. There is now 1,200 of us here in Czechia and almost 100 in the United States. So really, there's a lot of people behind this machine. But back to you, Mickey.
Okay, software. First of all, that's the firmware that's running on the printer. We made it ourselves. But that's also the slicer. I'll give you a second to take it in. This is the first time we are revealing Prusa Slicer 3.0. We took the best UX designers. We went through the slicing process from start to end. You know, we've been adding features to Prusa Slicer on and on and on, but, you know, it's good sometimes to take a step back and, you know, do it a little bit from the scratch. So if you look closely, you will find some brand new features. Now you can look forward for more for closed and open betas early next year.
What is the critical infrastructure? Anyways, it is nothing new for us. We've been doing this for ages. Critical infrastructure are those parts of our society which, if they are stopped or grind to a halt, our life really suffers. It is education, transportation, energy, defense, schools, universities, etc. To some of you, I've already told that Excel is staying this platform for us to introduce crazy new technologies you've never heard of or never imagined to the 3D printing masses. For the first time ever, we could combine FDM and silicone printing at the same time.
Think about polyurethane. Think about any paste material that you can come up with. We can now print it on an Excel machine with an extruder and a Prusa slicer. This is a new groundbreaking technology that we bring you today.
I would love to use this opportunity to ask all the crazy people to think of the impossible, and we will make it happen.